Please subscribe for updates and help us grow. Jio promises to redefine postpaid services in India, launches Rs 199 plan with 25 GB data. One of the biggest letdowns for Reliance Jio in the current scenario is its postpaid plans. While Jio's prepaid plans are unbeatable, its postpaid plans are nowhere close to the competition. Today, Jio promised that it would redefine the postpaid services in India. The all-new Jio postpaid service will be available for subscription starting May 15, 2018. Under the Jio postpaid service, the telco's primary focus is to provide affordable postpaid plans and redefining the international roaming meaning. For the users looking for a plan within India, the telco has come up with a zero-touch plan of Rs 199. On top of the existing plan, Jio will be providing affordable international call rates. As of now, we don't have any info on whether the earlier postpaid plans will be retained, but with Jio Postpaid, the telco has strengthened the postpaid offerings suited to the requirements of postpaid subscribers. Today, Jio has introduced a new zero-touch postpaid service. Under the service, the telco is offering a postpaid tariff plan, which comes pre-activated with all the services such as voice, internet, SMS, and international calling. Jio Postpaid Unlimited Plan of Rs 199. Under this plan, Reliance Jio is offering unlimited voice calls and SMS without any limit per month. In terms of data, the plan provides 25 GB of data per billing cycle, and the plan also comes with Jio App's premium subscription, pre-activated ISD, and international roaming calling option. However, it doesn't offer international roaming call though. So Reliance Jio is touting the Jio Postpaid as India's first zero-touch service experience. The Jio Postpaid service, as mentioned, comes pre-activated with all the necessary benefits, and it's an unlimited plan, meaning there won't be any high overages, bill shocks and unpredictable bills with the service. Reliance Jio also has the auto pay service, which can be activated manually, and the company will also be providing an e-bill option, which allows the user to check the bill in real time. That said, Jio has always been a prepaid service provider, and the international roaming service in the past was messed up one. However, Jio is turning things around, especially in terms of international roaming benefit. The Jio Postpaid plan offers unlimited voice calls and SMS within India at Rs 199, and the international calling rates start at Rs 50 paise per minute. Of course, as you might be aware of, the international calling rates differ from one country to other. And Jio is offering international roaming at home-like rates, which is Rs 222. It breaks down as follows: Rs 2 for a minute for voice, Rs 2 per SMS and Rs 2 per megabyte of data consumed. Also, there's no security deposit required to start international services, and the calls start at Rs 50 per minute as mentioned above. There's no need for a rate cutter or service charges involved with the Jio Postpaid service. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and press the bell icon after subscribing to get notified for all future updates.